Welcome to Phillip Highlights. I'm Tiffany and I'll be serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. The Chinese central government will issue an additional 1 trillion yuan in treasury bonds during the fourth quarter, a timely move we believe to respond to dynamic economic developments in the country. This would raise fiscal deficit ratio for 2023 to 3.8% of GDP, up from 3% previously set in March. The fund will be used for water conservancy, flood prevention projects, disaster relief and construction. The amount is quite large in comparable terms. To recall, renminbi 1 trillion debt was issued in the first year of COVID-19 pandemic. The adjustment will also provide redundant policy support for economic growth in the fourth quarter of 2023. US business output ticked higher in October as the manufacturing sector pulled out of a 5-month contraction on a pickup in new orders, and services activity accelerated modestly amid signs of easing inflationary pressures. S&P Global on Tuesday said its flash US Composite Purchasing Managers Index, tracking both the manufacturing and service sectors, rose to 51 in October, 1 point above the 50 level that separates expansion and contraction from a final September reading of 50.2. It was the highest level since July. While the resilience in the US economic activities and job market supports the Fed's openness to more hikes that will slow down the economy and then contain the still elevated inflation. However, we think we are near the tail end of the tightening cycle given the broad moderation in the core PCE inflation and amid easing cost pressures. While this year is expected to be more favorable for investments than the previous year, it is important to stay watchful for any market volatility. Phillip Capital Malaysia provides a comprehensive list of products including discretionary private managed accounts and unit trusts that are offered to retail investors, high net worth individuals, corporations, and institutions. Whether you want to DIY, seek for advice, or let the expertise fully handle your portfolio, our platform can cater to your needs and preferred way to achieve your financial goals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by Phillip Capital, your partner in finance.